The Kenwood KFC-X2C car speakers are a fantastic choice for those looking to replace their factory speakers with something that delivers high-quality sound. Featuring a powerful maximum output of 120 watts, these speakers can handle up to 50 watts of continuous power, ensuring a robust audio experience. The acrylic carbon hybrid cone design contributes to a natural and accurate sound reproduction, enhancing your listening experience with clear and smooth high frequencies. Designed to fit seamlessly as a factory replacement, these speakers are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. Compared to stock factory car speakers, the KFC-X2C speakers provide crisp and clean sound, offering excellent value for those seeking to upgrade their car's audio system. With a mounting depth of 1 5/16 inches and an impedance of 4 ohms, these speakers are built with quality and performance in mind, backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty.